Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are teaching you the third step that you need to know how to knit, and that is the purl stitch. So if you guys have watched our last couple of videos, we already taught you how to cast on and how to knit stitch. So today we're teaching you how to purl stitch. For this tutorial, all you need are two materials. Firstly, your needles, of course. Last time I used straight needles, this time I'm using round needles. There's essentially no difference, it's really up to the knitter's preference. And then of course you need your yarn. So today we're using Zara Melange in color number 1648. So if you watched our tutorial last time, you'll remember that to knit stitch, you bring your needle to the left side of that very first stitch. And today we're gonna do essentially the opposite to purl stitch. So you're going to take your needle in from the right side to the left in the middle of that very first stitch. Last time we went from the left to the right. This time we are going from the right to the left. And then last time, if you also remember, we had our yarn in the back. This time we're going to have it in the front of our work. So just take your needle in through the middle of that first stitch from the right side. Wrap your yarn around. Pull it out, catching that yarn, and pull off the stitch. So again, you're gonna go in from the right side, wrap your yarn around, pull out, and then pop your stitch off. One more time, in from the right side, around, out, and off. So it's just like that. So you guys can see that this is really similar to the knit stitch. The only really differences are that you're coming in from the right side and you're gonna hold your yarn in the front rather than the back. But aside from that, the mechanics of it are all the same. So if you can do one, you can definitely do the second one. So the knit stitch and the purl stitch are actually complete opposites, but they combine to make a really cohesive fabric that you'll see in most of your knitted garments. So I'm just gonna finish my row here and then show you guys what they look like together. So go ahead and pull out your work so you can really see your stitches there. If you look closely, this is what the purl stitch looks like. So you can tell a purl stitch from these little bumps that you get in the fabric right underneath the needle. You can see them in the whole rest of the swatch. They kind of look like ramen noodles or little squiggles going across. Whereas you can kind of see on the other side, it forms these little V's. Again, the purl stitch goes horizontal, whereas the knit stitch goes up and down and forms little columns. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment and like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting videos all the time for you guys, especially starting with these beginner tutorials. So again, thank you so much.